From this to this, it's popcorn! Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make popcorn on your stovetop. It is super easy and fun to make and ready under 5 minutes. It's also one of the healthier snacks out there, as popcorn is actually a whole grain and very nutritious. So, you're gonna need a big pot with a lid and a big serving bowl. A quarter of a teaspoon salt, plus some extra finely grinded salt to taste if needed. Half a cup popcorn kernels. I'm using purple kernels here because they're more nutritious and they yield fluffier and airier popcorn. But yellow or blue corn are all good. 2 tablespoons butter, or substitute with olive oil for an even healthier option. Alright, we're gonna melt the butter on medium-high heat. Make sure the butter has completely melted before adding in the salt. Then add in the popcorn kernels and swirl around with the pot so that all the kernels are well coated with the butter or oil if you're using oil. Cover the pot with a lid and wait till the popping starts. This is the fun part. If you notice too much condensation going on in the pot, then just slightly tip the lid to allow the steam to escape so you don't get soggy popcorn. Shake the pot every few seconds so the kernels can cook evenly. The popcorn is ready when the popping sound slows down to about 1 pop per every few seconds. Don't wait too long or you'll get burnt popcorn. Immediately open the lid when the popcorn is ready and transfer everything into a big bowl. Have a taste of your popcorn. If it's not salty enough, then you can add some extra salt to taste. My secret trick is to grind the salt very fine with a mortar and pestle. This way the salt adheres better onto the popcorn. And that's it! The simplest popcorn ever made from the comfort of your home. No microwave needed. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye!